How to unblock a number on Android. Unblocking any number on Android or any other phone is a very simple process. Firstly, open your Contacts or Phone app. From the bottom, go to your keypad section. This is also called the dialing section. At the top right corner, click on the three dot icon, and now you will see three options. Go ahead and select the third option, Settings. Inside Settings at the top only, you will see Block Numbers. Go to Block Numbers and you will see all the numbers that you have blocked. Go through the numbers and find the one you want to unblock. To unblock, simply click on the red minus icon on the right side. When you do that, then the number will get unblocked. If you want to add any number to the block list, simply type it here and click on plus icon. And just like that, you can unblock any number on your Android. That's all for today. Thank you.